How to change review period on Quora space. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change review period on Quora space easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the app. Now go to your space. For example, I'm gonna go to this space right here. This is my space. Now go to the settings of the space. These are the settings. Now all what you have to do is go down until you find the review period option. Now you can change it here from day 1 day or 2 days or even 30 days and click like this and it's changed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.